In this video, we're going to show you how to generate a QR code for a YouTube video using Uniqode. It's a quick process, but there are a few things you should know to ensure you get the best result, and stick around until the end because we'll also be sharing some amazing alternatives that might just be a better fit for your needs. First, let's jump into Uniqode. If you're new to it, Uniqode is a simple tool that allows you to create QR codes for various types of content, including YouTube videos. The main draw is how easy it is to use, so let's dive into how you can create your QR code. Next thing, once you're logged into Uniqode, you'll want to select the QR code generator option. This is where you'll be given the choice of what type of content you want the QR code to lead to. In our case, we're picking the YouTube video option. Next, simply copy and paste your YouTube video URL into the input field provided. This is where you'll want to make sure you're using the correct link from your video share option. Be cautious, as an incorrect link could lead to a broken QR code that doesn't work. Now, click the button to generate the QR code. Uniqode will quickly create the code for you, and you'll see a preview. The tool even lets you customize the QR code's color and design, but I recommend keeping it simple unless you're trying to match it with branding. The fourth thing, after you've generated the QR code, you can either download it directly to your device or use the share options. This is where Uniqode shines. It gives you multiple formats, from PNG to SVG, which makes it versatile depending on what you're using it for. Now, let's quickly talk about the quality of Unicode's output. While the interface is clean and easy to use, some other QR code generators on the market offer more advanced customization features and integrations. For example, some might allow you to track the scans of your QR code, something Uniqode lacks right now. Next, we'll talk alternatives. As you might have guessed, Uniqode is great for basic use, but might not have all the bells and whistles you need if you're looking for something more sophisticated. For tracking and analytics, you might want to look into tools like QR Code Monkey or Bitly. These allow you to customize your QR codes extensively and track their usage, something that's becoming pretty essential if you're using QR codes for business or marketing purposes. Now, here's the kicker. I'm not just recommending Uniqode and its alternatives to you for no reason. Stick with me until the end, and I'll show you how to get access to an exclusive extended free trial for Uniqode. But that's not all. I'll also reveal some alternatives that are better suited for certain use cases, and yes, they have free trials too. Finally, before we wrap up, remember that through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're looking to generate QR codes for YouTube videos, we've got you covered. Whether you stick with Uniqode or try one of its competitors, you're going to have everything you need to get started. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the description for all the details.